Hello fellow forgers. This here is going to be a very small mini tutorial on how importing works in Hero Forge, so let's avoid a long intro and skip right to it. For pro subscribers, importing is a function that has existed in Hero Forge for a long time, but it is continuously updated with each new release. Whether it was face customizer before or more recently kit bashing, the importing system basically allows you to transfer elements of one model onto another, whether that is the pose, the face, the clothing, or indeed now even kit bashed items. The way it works is this. Start by opening up the model you want to import to, that is to say the one you want to change. Once you have it open, you head back out into the menu that you just came from and you select the character you want to import from. You do not open it up properly, rather you simply left click it, and then at the bottom left of your screen you will see an arrow next to the main open option. From here, select import. And yes, this also works from the community library. It works from any model that you can see in any folder on Hero Forge. This will open up a whole new menu for the original model that you selected. At the top right you will see both models, the one you're importing from to the one you're importing to. Below there will be a whole range of options. Now some of these are straightforward and some of them are slightly more advanced. For example, outfit will literally just import everything from the clothing menu, while the face will copy over any edits from the face customizer menu, be it simple or advanced. But the ones we will focus on most for now are pose and kit bash parts. To start off with, pose is not a new option in the import menu, it's always been there. However, it now also includes a lot of advanced edits made in kit bashing, including edits to a model's proportions. Whether you've just twisted around the model's limbs or actually shrunk or sized them up, both will be imported using only the pose option. However, if you want to completely copy over the body proportions of one model to another, you need to also take the species option, as this will copy over the original measurements of the model as well. With both ticked, you will get a complete replica of one character's proportions to another. Finally, kit bash parts will import any and all kit bashing items from one model to another. The brilliant thing about this is that it will also attach all of those parts to the same thing that they were attached to on the original model and apply them onto the new one with as much accuracy as possible. This is done through the snapping mechanic of kit bashing, allowing you to glue items together to move in sync. Now obviously, due to some models having wildly different shapes from others, this will not always transfer with perfect accuracy, but it will reliably put most kit bashing items right where they are supposed to be. However, as you know, kit bashing does have a 20 item cap. This means that if the items your model originally had and the items you are importing exceed 20, not all items will follow. The model will prioritize the original parts it had to begin with and import as many as possible from the new one until it hits the cap. And for now, that is it. I hope that this little mini tutorial will prove helpful. If you haven't already, then make sure to join the official Hero Forge Discord server with the link below, especially if you want to share or find other tips and tricks with the rest of the community. And with all that said, thank you for watching. Until next time, farewell.